Hi there. Are you a fan of James Bond or The Godfather? Then you're probably familiar with the Windsor Knot. Today, I'm going to show you how to tie this classic knot that's perfect for formal occasions. Start with the wide end of the tie on your right side, and the small end on your left. The small end should rest slightly above your belly button. Cross the wide end over the small end to the left. Bring the wide end up into the neck loop from underneath. Pull the wide end down to the left. Wrap the wide end around the back of the small end to the right. Bring the wide end up to the center, towards the neck loop. Thread the wide end through the neck loop and pull it down to the right. Cross the wide end over the front of the knot to the left. Bring the wide end up into the neck loop from underneath. Pull the wide end down through the loop you've just created in the front. Tighten the knot by pulling down on the wide end, then slide the knot up and adjust it as needed. And there you have it, a perfectly tied Windsor knot that will make you look as dashing as James Bond or as intimidating as Vito Corleone. But remember, practice makes perfect, so keep at it and soon you'll be able to tie this knot with your eyes closed, or maybe not. We don't want any accidents. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one giving someone else advice on how to tie the perfect knot. Until then, stay stylish and keep practicing those Windsor knots.